Dear students, welcome to my channel, Dr. V.R. Pudili, Professor of Management and Economics. In this video, I am dealing with meaning and objectives of monetary policy and instruments of monetary policy. Monetary policy is concerned with the measures taken to regulate the supply of money, the cost and availability of credit in the economy. Objectives of monetary policy include 1. Ensuring price stability, 2. Encouraging economic growth, 3. Ensuring stability of exchange rate of the rupee. Dear students, in this figure, I had explained about the instruments of monetary policy. Instruments of monetary policy can be divided into two types. 1. Quantitative tools or general tools. 2. Qualitative tools or selective tools. Quantitative tools or general tools include 1. Bank rate, 2. Repo rate, 3. Reverse repo rate, 4. Open market operations, 5. Cash reserve ratio, which is shortly known as CRR. 6. Statutory liquidity ratio, which is known as SLR. Let us deal with quantitative controls or general controls in detail. 1. Bank rate. Bank rate is the long-term interest rate at which the central bank of a country provides long-term loans to the commercial banks and other banks in the country. When central bank increases bank rate, the cost of borrowing for commercial banks increase. Consequently, commercial banks increase lending rates to businessmen. This would result in contraction of bank credit and decrease in money supply. This move will be done to protect economy from inflation. Dear students, you already know that inflation is a phenomenon in which prices are continuously rising. On the other hand, when there is depression or recession in economy, central bank decreases bank rate. Consequently, commercial banks decrease lending rates to business people. This would result in expansion of bank credit and increase in money supply. The second instrument of monetary policy is repo rate. Repo rate is the short-term interest rate at which the central bank of a country provides short-term loans to the commercial banks and other banks. Dear students, the basic difference between repo rate and bank rate is that repo rate is a short-term interest rate charged by Central Bank of India, whereas bank rate is the long-term interest rate charged by the Central Bank of India when it is giving loans to commercial banks and other banks in the country. Repo rate is generally higher than reverse repo rate. Repo rate is used to control inflation. The third instrument of monetary policy is reverse repo rate. The short-term interest rate that RBI pays to commercial banks and other banks in the country on their deposits is known as reverse repo rate. Through reverse repo system, RBI mops up liquidity from the banking system. The fourth instrument of monetary policy is open market operations. Open market operations refers to the purchase and sale of securities by the central bank of the country. The sale of securities by central bank leads to contraction of credit. The purchase of securities by central bank leads to expansion of credit. The fifth instrument of monetary policy is cash reserve ratio, which is shortly known as CRR. CRR is the percentage of cash reserve of the total net demand and time liabilities, shortly known as NDTL, that every bank shall maintain. In other words, CRR refers to the percentage of cash reserves of the deposits that every bank shall maintain. Central bank uses this tool to influence the availability of bank credit depending on conditions prevailed in economy. The sixth instrument of monetary policy is statutory liquidity ratio, which is shortly known as SLR. SLR refers to the percentage of assets of the total demand and time liabilities that every bank shall maintain in addition to the cash reserves. In other words, SLR refers to percentage of assets of the total deposits that every bank shall maintain in addition to the cash reserves. Dear students, the basic difference between CRR and SLR is that in case of CRR, the bank should maintain cash reserves as a percentage of the total deposits it has. In case of SLR, the bank should maintain percentage of assets reserves as a percentage of deposits in addition to the cash reserves. As per the current monetary policy announced on October 8, 2021, the repo rate stands at 4% and the reverse repo rate at 3.35%. The bank rate stand at 4.25%. Further, the CRR rate and SLR rate stand at 4% and 18% respectively. These rates will change from time to time, and these rates will be used by the central bank of the country to control the prices, money supply and credit in the economy. The second category of instruments of monetary policy include qualitative or selective tools, which include changes in minimum margins for lending by banks, fixation of ceiling on advances to specific sector in the economy, and fixation of discriminatory rates of interest on the loans given to the specific sectors or on the loans given to specific goods manufacturing units. Dear students, in this video, we learned about meaning and objectives of monetary policy and instruments of monetary policy. Thank you.